Hi, I'm Tammy Cutler, and I've decided to take some time away from the corporate world to try my hand at painting and sketching all plein air. Join me on my journey as I tackle the ups and downs of painting outside. Hey everyone, I've come out today to Woodbine Beach on the east side of Toronto to do a little bit of plein air painting. It's a gorgeous day outside today for mid-November, about 7 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. Let me tell you a little bit about the area. Woodbine Beach stretches along Toronto's eastern shore, where the city gives way to open water. In summer it's full of life, but in autumn the pace slows. The air turns crisp, the sand cool underfoot, and trees along the boardwalk blaze with red and gold. Once this was a wilder place called the Cut, a sandy wooded stretch where early Torontonians came to escape the city. Over time, the shoreline changed. Marshes were filled, the bathing station built, and the boardwalk laid down along the water's edge. The surrounding district, known as the Beaches, grew up around this shoreline. Queen Street East became its lively main street, lined with cafes, galleries, and small shops, while the boardwalk and Martin Goodman Trail now link nature and city life. Still, there are moments that feel timeless. The sound of waves, gulls circling in the light, the distant rhythm of drums across the water. The scent of wood smoke drifts from a picnic fire, and the low sun shimmers on the lake. A quiet reminder that even in the heart of the city, the lake is still part of Toronto's soul. I'm using a bit of a different palette today, a mix of cadmium yellow medium, lemon yellow, viridian green, burnt sienna, raw umber, alizarin crimson, and a few blues, ultramarine, cerulean, indigo, and titanium white. I love this time of year when the light is low in the sky and everything seems to shimmer. In the quiet of the late afternoon, the lake grows still and the light turns warm and golden. A few last leaves drift across the sand and the sound of waves softens in the crisp air. Painting here in autumn feels a little like pressing pause, a reminder that there's a calm that comes with the cool winds of fall. Well, that's a wrap for today. All in all, it was a great day for painting here at Woodbine Beach. It got a little chilly near the end though, so I'm kind of packing it up quickly. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe to join me on more of my plein air adventures.